My name is Alessandro Rizzi, owner of SAMER Komponenten, a company specializing primarily in the supply of fall protection systems. I founded the company back in 2007 as a small business. Today, our team consists of around 5 employees. To operate our Hymson fiber laser machine, which we introduced to our company around a year ago, we opted for the PN4000 programming system from WiCAM. This led to our collaboration with Ltsoft, WiCAM's official distribution partner in Italy. We chose the WiCAM software because we had a very good overall impression right from the start. We quickly felt that WiCAM and Ltsoft employ experts who understand our requirements and can translate them into a suitable solution with technical precision. Here at Ltsoft, we distribute the entire WiCAM product portfolio in Italy for the programming of sheet metal processing machines in the metalworking industry. We provide our customers with comprehensive support, from software implementation right through to ongoing support. For us, choosing WiCAM was exactly the right move. The software impresses not only when importing 3D data, but also in terms of further processing and its high level of user-friendliness. Even with incomplete data or internally created drawings, the software remains flexible to use. The WiCAM software comprises various modules, ranging from 2D programming and bending program creation to cost calculation. All modules can be used independently of the machine manufacturer, enabling our customers to flexibly program machines from a wide variety of manufacturers using a single system. WiCAM is currently the only solution on the market capable of mapping all processes from bending to cutting within a single program interface. And the best part is, the entire data flow remains consistent throughout, without any interruptions. We have 2 approaches to using the WiCAM software. Either we import the design data from the customer, or if necessary, we create a production drawing ourselves with the relevant geometries. Once the geometry is finalized, we import the data into WiCAM's PN4000 programming system and then send the nesting program to the Hymson laser machine. The machine operator calls up the generated program and initiates the laser process. In this context, our collaboration with Ltsoft runs smoothly and is absolutely reliable. Machine downtime is no longer an issue for us.